Buying a manufactured home in Oregon is one of the fastest, most attainable paths to home ownership. But like any big decision, it helps to know the steps and what to expect along the way. Before the process begins, you'll need a site for your home, either private land or a space in a community. Once that's settled, it's time to explore financing and find your home. Work with a lender to understand what type of loan best fits your situation. Many manufactured home buyers qualify for FHA, VA, USDA, or land home conventional loans. Your lender will also help you determine how much you can borrow and what monthly payment feels right. At the retail center, you can tour model homes, explore floor plans, and see what fits your budget and lifestyle. Retailers will help you understand your customization options and provide recommendations for licensed installers and transporters. Remember to ask key questions. What's included in the price? Does it cover delivery and installation? Are there specials like a first-year insurance package? If your retailer doesn't handle installation, you'll work with a general contractor or licensed manufactured home installer to prepare the site. Permits, utilities, foundation, and septic if needed. Your retailer can guide you through the timeline from factory production to delivery and installation. Once your home is installed, you can complete any add-ons like a carport, garage, deck, or heat pump and move in. From that first visit to final walkthrough, most buyers complete the process in just a few months.